Alright, so we're gonna stop up here at this Moody, Alabama Loves. Do our 30-minute break. That's where I stayed last night, actually. Just a good stopping point because I have an hour and 55 minutes left until it's a mandatory rest break, which you gotta do a 30-minute break before your first 8 hours is up. So it looks like the rain has pretty much stopped. Might be a little drizzle, but not too bad. At least I'm out of the snow and sleet and freezing rain that was coming down when I was at the Walmart. Look at my battery power here in this GoPro. There's enough to get me into Loves so I can film another backing. That we'll see. Yeah, it's funny. The temperature got down as low as I believe I saw 35 when I got down to the Walmart up in New Albany, Alabama, and it rose pretty quickly because now it shows 63, and I only left there about 2 hours ago. Alright, this truck here, I assume he's turning left. Look at that, cars on the right. It's coming up around. That's what you gotta be careful of. Cars there that came up on the right shouldn't have done that. So our turn signals are both on and they just squeeze right by on the right. It's the last thing you want to do.
Your destination is on the right.
I'm going to try to see if I can park up where I did before, up in the front there near the fuel pumps. If not, we'll spin around and try to park over here. See if I can see anything. Yep, there is spots up there, so that's what I'll do. Go up there. Not sure what he wants to do though. He might want to back into here. Wants to back in this first spot here. That's fine. I'll let him go. No, he's not. Okay. Then I will. I'll just continue. I gotta park right next to the same truck that I was parked next to yesterday. Moving truck. That's what I'll do. I'll park right next to him again. That's really funny that I'm parked right next to Right in the same spot I was last night. It's kind of weird. Well, folks, I will do my 30-minute break and then I'll be back. And if there's anything else to film, of course, I'll film it. So stay tuned, folks. I'll see you soon. Well, I wasn't going to film, but looks like there's a bad accident up here on the northbound side of 75. I know it's raining, so I'm not sure how much you guys can see, but not sure what happened. There's police and ambulances. When it's raining out, this stuff happens, unfortunately. Driving too fast in the weather, that's probably what it was. Yeah, that's pretty bad. Like a one-car accident, probably going too fast in the rain. That's what happens, unfortunately. Well, for me, it's been a miserable past couple of days. I've had rain all day yesterday, all day today, because I keep following it. I basically, when I left yesterday, it was raining, gone to Mississippi, and I basically followed the same path of the rain. And now I'm coming back through the same path that's coming south. So I've basically been stuck with it the whole time. Now we're going to have traffic up here in McDonough. I already looked at the traffic cam and showing all kinds of traffic down here. It's not showing an accident, but it's just normal traffic, it looks like. But I don't think it's as bad as what's on the left side here. This left side's all backed up because of the accident. Well, not much to film here, so I'm gonna head out again and look forward to a video that I'm gonna put out on the TND85, my Ram McNally GPS. I'm gonna do that, so stay tuned for that. If you haven't subscribed, please click that subscribe button, click on the bell, that'll alert you for new videos, and I do appreciate your support and supporting the channel. So I will talk to you guys in the next video. Take care for now, folks. So where we're staying tonight is gonna be a hotel. Sometimes when your time's getting low, you can't make it to a Love's or a Pilot or TA or a rest stop, so we're going to be staying down here at behind the Quality Inn. There's it's just a dirt / stone parking lot. I've stayed here before. The reason I couldn't make it to the Cordell Loves is because that's another hour or so, and because I came from Mississippi, my drive time is off, so didn't have enough time to get there. So, and of course my load changed. I didn't tell you all that. My load changed, so I'm still going to Publix, but I'm going to be going at 3:30 tomorrow instead of 8:30 tomorrow night. So this is Macon, Georgia. So we'll go through this light here, and then we'll turn right, and then parking areas back here a little bit.
Turn at the first right onto Chambers Road.
They have a lot of hotels here, a lot of places to eat. But in the trucking world, you gotta do what you gotta do, because you can't just pull in a parking lot somewhere like you can with a car. So there's a spot back here that allows trucks to park. Looks like there's some trucks down here now.
Your destination is on the right.
I don't usually park where they're parking. I usually park to the left, so hopefully there's some spots back there.
Take the first exit on the right onto Eisenhower Parkway. Speed limit reduced ahead.
Surprising, there's actually only a couple trucks here. It's actually good, because I can park next to him over there extra. Glad I didn't wash my truck, because now it'll be all dirty. It's like four-wheeling. Jeez. If you guys can see that other mirror or not, but all right, so this is the end of the video and the end of our trip for today, so I will see you guys in the next video.